So in this video, I'll be showing you how to install Google Chrome on your iPhone 11. So the first step is to open the App Store. Then from here, use the search feature and you want to type Google Chrome. Then search. You should see it listed in the search results, so tap on it and then ensure that it's by Google. Once you've done that, you want to tap on Get. Then from here, you want to confirm the installation, either using your Face ID or your Apple ID. Once you've done all of that, simply wait for the app to be installed onto your phone. Once the app has been installed, you want to tap on Open to launch it. Then from here, you want to now sign in with your Google account. You can choose not to sign in. And then you can now start using Chrome. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.